So that's the road. That's where the spring is. And this is where the kubo's gonna be. That's where the kubo's gonna be. That's the road. Yeah, that's Kubo. And then that's where the house gonna be, just beside that one. Walking back. This is the road. We're planning to have an open kubo here, over there. Yeah. And on here, Chris's workshop. And over there is the parking area with the solar. Yeah. And then just beside the kubo, where the pegs are, there's the peg. There's the peg over there. There's the peg. That's where the house gonna be. So if I walk towards where the house supposedly, so this where we plan to have the open kubo. Yeah. So that's the bamboo stake. The bamboo stake. So this is where the house is gonna be. There, here, with this vista.